AI enthusiasts, today we're diving into GPT-4o's image generation, a powerful tool from OpenAI built into ChatGPT. We'll break down how it works, compare it to MidJourney, and explore why it's a game changer for creators. Welcome to the Tenorshare AI channel. Let's get technical. Starting with GPT-4o's features, it generates fast. Type Sam Altman as a futuristic cyborg, CEO, and in 30 seconds, you've got a sharp, detailed image cybernetic suit. Glowing eyes, all spot on. Need edits? Say add a holographic desk, and it's seamlessly updated. Text rendering shines too. Try Elon Musk's Tesla factory sign, neon style, and the letters pop perfectly. No blur. How does it handle? Simple. In chat, GPT inputs Sam Altman, leading an AI revolution rally, and it builds a vivid scene crowd. Banners, all coherent. Adjust with Make It Night, and it adapts instantly. It's intuitive, leveraging chat, GPT's language smarts to nail complex ideas, without endless tweaking. Now MidJourney, it's a pure image generator. Treat Elon Musk as a steampunk inventor, you'll get a stunning artistic output, gears and brass galore. But editing? You're stuck refining prompts or parameters. No chat, no live tweaks. It's less forgiving if your idea's vague. The core difference? GPT-4o's a chatbot, with image generation baked in its understanding, runs deep, decoding messy prompts effortlessly. MidJourney's a standalone image, bot great for art, but it won't grasp nuance like 4o. Ease of use. 4o wins, minimal prompt fuss, no parameter maze. MidJourney's steeper perfect for pros who love control. Verdict: if you want quick, reliable results without wrestling prompts, GPT-4o's your go-to free on ChatGPT. For artistic mastery and don't mind the grind, MidJourney shines. Test it yourself. Try Sam vs. Elon in a Sci-Fi Showdown on 4o. Like this deep dive? Subscribe and grab our AI bypass software link below for more AI power.